Hello friends, welcome to Abhi and Me tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to form the month name from the month number. Okay, so I have two columns here, year column and month column. So month numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. I want to get month name from month number like January to December. So let's see how to do it. Let's write a calculated column and let's name it as month name equal to, we'll use format function and we'll form a date with that month number. Let's say year is 1, month is our month column. Okay, so this is month column and your day is 1. So instead of 1, any numbers you can take. We are interested in only month, right? So month will be table month and I have taken year and day as 1 and 1. Then I will format with the month name MMM. It will give month name with 3 letters. Okay, guys, let's see it. Okay, so like that, month names will be displayed from January to December. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.